Hello viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Ami Black and we are going to learn about deforestation. Deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for the use such as agriculture, crops land, urbanization or mining activities, greatly accelerated by human activity since 1960. Deforestation has been negatively affect natural ecosystem, biodiversity, and the climate. Deforestation. Deforestation or forest clearance is the removal of a forest or stand of trees from land that is then converted to non-forest use. Deforestation can involve conversion of forest land to farm, ranches, or urban use. The most concentrated deforestation occurs in tropical rainforests. About 31% of Earth's land surface is converted by forests at present. This one-third less than the forest cover before the expansion of agriculture, with half of the loss occurring in the last century. Deforestation, the silent war against nature. Deforestation, the deliberate clearance or destruction of forests, is a pressing global issue that poses a grave threat to the environment and ultimately to human life. The rapid and discrimination removal of trees without sufficient restoration effects has far-reaching consequences affecting biodiversity, climate change, and the lives of indigenous communities who depend on the forest for survival. One of the most significant impacts of deforestation is the loss of biodiversity. Forests are home to around 80% of the world territories. Biodiversities house millions of species, many of which are still undiscovered. Such trees are filled. Countless species loses their habitats, pushing them towards extinction. The destruction of ecosystem disrupts the delicate balance of nature, resulting in the loss of countless plant and animal species, some of which many hold the key to the medical breakthrough or have important ecological rules that we are yet to understand. Another consequence of deforestation is the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to the climate change. Trees act as sink, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. When forests are raised, they restore carbon dioxide and is released into the atmosphere, exacerbating the greenhouse effect. Deforestation is estimated to be responsible for around 15% of global greenhouse gases emission. Then more than the entire global transportation sectors combined. The increased level of greenhouse gases further contribute to rising global temperatures, leading to more extreme weather events such as severe droughts, floods, and hurricanes. Beyond the environmental impact, deforestation also directly affects the life and livelihoods of indigenous communities and forest-dependent population. Many indigenous tribes have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, relying on them for food, shelter, and cultural practice. Deforestation degrades their way of life, displacing communities and exacerbating poverty. Indigenous people are also often the best custodians of their lands, possessing traditional knowledge that allows for sustainable use of resources and the preservation of biodiversity. By recognizing and supporting their rights and promoting community-based forest management, we can advise both conservation effect and the well-being of the marginalized community. Deforestation is driven by various factors, including agricultural expansion, logging for timber mining, and infrastructure development.